is terrible that this regime continues to fight its own people. That's what it's all about. It's the people that they're afraid of, and so their response has been the worst I've ever seen. When the demonstrators were demonstrating, shooting them on the spot, going into the hospitals and shooting them there, and now these executions. So I think the world has to take notice of this, and it has to be resolute in supporting Iranians to take their future and to eject the mullahs and the IRGC and to have a better, just society. I do like the 10-point plan, which obviously perceives that the future of Iran is secular, democratic, peaceful, but also a republic. But really, I do leave it to the Iranians to figure that out.